What kind of advice do you have for the retail investors that are just kind of going through this for the first time?
Well, for retail, it's about time frame and your time horizon. If you're in this for the long term, the market's still on sale. You buy a little bit at a time. You buy index funds. You buy smartly and safely over time, and you'll be just fine. The market's on sale. You'll be okay. For the individual trader, just know your risk levels. Know levels of support. If a stock is holding a certain level and you enter that stock, if it breaks, something's changed, and you may want to get out, take a small loss, and get back into either another stock or that same stock at a lower price. It always comes down to time frame. But for the long-term investor, the young retail investor that just wants to put money to work, just buy those index funds and buy them slowly over time, accumulate your wealth, and I think you'll be fine. And you'll look back 2-3 years from now and be very happy that you did. If you have a passion for the markets and you have an interest in it, then by all means get in. And the best way to learn is learn by doing. So if you put a small amount into the market, it's going to change the way you look at that stock. And that is, to me, that's how I learned, by getting 2 shares of a stock. My son, this Tesla story, you buy 1 share of Tesla, and then all of a sudden it changes how you look at it. So to me, any new investor is a welcome investor as long as you know the risks, because we're not in a market where we had a year ago where stocks just went up. All right, now we're seeing stocks that don't even rally a little bit. Some of those high-flying IPOs over the last year or two haven't really bounced back. Some of them are 80% off of their highs. So you have to be selective. You have to have a time horizon in place. But day traders are always welcome, but you have to know the risks before you think you're going to benefit from the reward.